Hi everyone, welcome to Goldfries. In this video, we have a look at GALAX Gamer 2 DDR4 modules. So you've heard of the Hall of Fame modules that go at really high speeds. Now the Gamer 2 module here is on the other side of the spectrum, aiming at the entry-level market. Now the model here with me is the 2666 MHz model that retails at just RM179. I don't know the price in US, whether it's available there beats me. In Malaysia, RM179, and there's also the 3000 MHz model that retails at RM199. Now this model, it comes with Micron D-die chips, and it can be overclocked to 3000 MHz. And without further ado, here are the numbers from ADA64. Not that you can convert the numbers to real-world performance, so I'm going to show you something else, which is benchmark of using this RAM on stock and on overclock on the Ryzen 3 3200G, with my benchmarks being the games Dota 2 and CSGO. So let's have a look at the benchmarks now. By overclocking the memory alone, you get anywhere from 5 to 10% performance boost. So now that's good. Now, what about the downside of this module? It has no software to control the RGB LED. Well, yes, the selling point, as you can see, if you visit the product page, you'll see that, wow, it has RGB LED. But it's just too bad that even GALAX own software can't control it, and suffice to say, even motherboard softwares can't control it. So the RGB LED just goes on the cycle, and it does get ugly simply because you might have a theme and you can't control it, so it just goes as it is. But as for the design, it's actually quite nice. I only wish that you can disable the RGB LED. You can see that the design is of a black and silver accent that quite matches the backplate of GALAX black colored graphics card. So overall, I'm giving the GALAX Gamer 2 DDR4 modules a silver badge. It would have gotten a gold badge if only the software was able to control the LED. At least give me some way to disable it. Alright, so that's it for this review. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Bye bye.